SimCorp Dimension Online Training. Introduction to SimCorp Dimension. SimCorp Dimension is a software system designed for investment management firms. It's known for being comprehensive and integrated, covering the entire investment process from start to finish, also known as front-to-back office. What is the SimCorp Dimension? SimCorp Dimension trademark symbol, SCD, is an integrated, automated and modular investment management software solution. The suite of integrated solutions supports institutional investors in managing assets, reducing costs in the long term, mitigating risks and ensuring optimal value for money. Breakdown of what SimCorp Dimension offers. Support across the investment life cycle. It manages tasks from the initial investment decisions, front office, to trade execution and settlement, middle office, to ongoing record keeping and accounting, back office. Multiple asset classes. SimCorp Dimension can handle a wide range of investments, including stocks, bonds, derivatives, and private assets. Improved efficiency and performance. By automating workflows and centralizing data, SimCorp Dimension can help investment firms save time and money, while also improving risk management and decision-making. Scalability and flexibility. The system can be adapted to the specific needs of different investment firms, regardless of size or complexity. How many customers does SimCorp have? SimCorp is headquartered in Copenhagen and has offices in over 20 locations throughout Europe, Asia, and North America. Listed on the Nasdaq Copenhagen Exchange until 2023, its core product is the SimCorp Dimension, a front-to-back integrated investment management system used by more than 190 clients around the world. Which companies use SimCorp Dimension? Companies using SimCorp Dimension for portfolio and investment management include Temasek, a Singapore-based banking and financial services organization with 957 employees and revenues of $125.73 billion, Wells Fargo, a United States-based banking and financial services organization with 226,000 employees and revenues. Features of SimCorp Dimension. SimCorp Dimension is a comprehensive investment management software designed to streamline various tasks across an organization. Here are some of its key features. Front-to-back office integration. SimCorp Dimension boasts a unified platform that integrates front, middle, and back-office functions. This eliminates the need for separate systems for different departments, improving data flow and overall efficiency. Data aggregation. SimCorp Dimension brings together data from various sources, providing a holistic view of investments and operations. Automation. Repetitive tasks can be automated, freeing up staff for more strategic activities. Cloud-based option. SimCorp Dimension offers a cloud-based deployment option, enabling scalability and remote access. Investment operations management. The software streamlines various investment operations tasks, including trade order management, settlement, and corporate action processing. Portfolio monitoring. SimCorp Dimension provides tools for comprehensive portfolio monitoring, allowing for real-time performance analysis and risk assessment. Investor Portal. An investor portal can be integrated with SimCorp Dimension, facilitating secure communication and transparent reporting for investors. Is learning SimCorp Dimension useful? Yes, learning SimCorp Dimension can be useful for your career, especially if you are interested in working in investment management. Here's why. Industry standard. SimCorp Dimension is a leading investment management platform used by many financial institutions around the world. Having expertise in this software can make you a more attractive candidate for jobs in asset management, pensions, insurance, and sovereign wealth funds. Increased efficiency. SimCorp Dimension helps automate many tasks in investment management, leading to increased efficiency and accuracy. Learning the system can make you more productive in your role. Career growth. Knowledge of SimCorp Dimension can open doors to new opportunities within your current company or help you find a new job in the investment management field. Here are some things to consider. Focus of your career. If you are not interested in investment management, then learning SimCorp Dimension may not be as useful. Cost of training. There are costs associated with getting trained and certified in SimCorp Dimension. Why choose SimCorp Dimension? SimCorp Dimension, SCD, is an investment management software solution designed for institutional investors like hedge funds, pension funds, and central banks. Here are some reasons why you might choose SimCorp Dimension. Integrated Platform. SCD is a single, unified platform that streamlines all your investment management functions from front to back office. This means data only needs to be entered once, reducing errors and improving efficiency. Scalability. SCD is designed to grow with your business. It can handle complex investment portfolios and large volumes of data. Compliance. SCD helps you comply with various regulations with its built-in compliance manager. Strong customer support. SimCorp offers excellent customer support to help you get the most out of SCD. Here are some things to keep in mind when considering SimCorp Dimension. Cost. SCD can be expensive to implement and maintain, so it's important to carefully consider your budget. Complexity. SCD is a complex system that can be challenging to learn and use. You'll need to invest in training for your staff. Overall, SimCorp Dimension is a powerful investment management solution that can help you improve efficiency, reduce costs, and manage risk. However, it's important to weigh the costs and complexity before making a decision. What are the challenges of SimCorp Dimension? While SimCorp Dimension is a powerful investment management solution, it does come with its own set of challenges. Here are some of the common ones. Implementation complexity. SimCorp Dimension can be complex and time-consuming to implement. This is especially true if the organization has poor data quality or a fragmented IT infrastructure. Data cleaning and integration efforts can be significant. Data management. Accurate and consistent data is essential for SimCorp Dimension to function effectively. If the source data is poor, it can lead to errors in reporting, risk management, and decision-making. Cost. SimCorp Dimension can be a costly investment, including licensing fees, implementation costs, and ongoing maintenance. Customization. While SimCorp Dimension is configurable, extensive customization can be expensive and time-consuming to develop and maintain. Additionally, customizations can make it difficult to upgrade to future versions of the software. Alternative investments. While SimCorp has improved its support for alternative investments, it can still be challenging to manage complex alternative investment structures within the platform. Architecture and components of SimCorp Dimension. SimCorp Dimension boasts a layered application architecture, also known as APL, Application Programming Layer. This structure offers several advantages. Modular functionality. APL functions are grouped logically into modules, promoting organization and maintainability. Controlled interactions. Rules govern how modules can interact with each other, preventing conflicts and ensuring smooth operation. Here's a breakdown of the key components within this architecture. Core Business Framework. This layer provides the foundation for core functionalities of SimCorp Dimension. Application Framework. This layer builds upon the core, offering additional services and functionalities specific to the application. Internal GUI Framework and External GUI Framework. These frameworks manage the user interface, both internal, for system administration, and external, for user interaction. Business Logic Application and Internal Application. This layer handles the core business logic of the system, including data processing and task execution. GUI Business Application. This layer translates the business logic into a user-friendly interface for interacting with the system. On top of this layered architecture sits another crucial element. Managers. SimCorp Dimension offers a collection of 18 pre-built components called managers. Each manager caters to a specific role within the investment management process, such as portfolio management, compliance, or order management. Users can choose the combination of managers that best suits their needs and scale up or down as required. In essence, SimCorp Dimension provides a modular and adaptable architecture with well-defined layers and functionalities. This structure allows for customization and simplifies the process of aligning the system with your specific investment management needs. Why choose SimCorp Dimension? Reasons why you might choose SimCorp Dimension, SCD, for your investment management needs. Integrated front-to-back office solution, SCD streamlines all aspects of investment management, from trade initiation to settlement, in a single platform. This can improve efficiency, reduce costs, and minimize errors. Source: Straight-through processing, STP. Because everything is integrated, data only needs to be entered once, reducing the need for manual intervention and improving accuracy. This can lead to faster processing times and fewer errors. Source: Scalability, SCD can be scaled to meet the needs of growing businesses. This means you won't have to outgrow your investment management software as your company expands. Source: Risk Management, SCD has built-in functionality to help you identify, monitor, and mitigate investment risks. This can help you protect your assets and improve your overall investment performance. Source: Compliance, SCD can help you comply with a variety of regulatory requirements. This can save you time and money by reducing the need for manual compliance processes. Source: Customer Support, SimCorp offers excellent customer support to help you get the most out of SCD. This can be helpful if you have any questions or need assistance using the software. Source: It's important to note that SCD is a complex and expensive software solution. It may be best suited for large institutional investors with significant investment portfolios. Advantages of SimCorp Dimension. SimCorp Dimension is an investment management software platform designed for institutional investors. Here are some of its key advantages. Integrated solution. SimCorp Dimension is a comprehensive suite that offers a unified platform for various investment management tasks like portfolio management, trading, compliance, performance measurement, risk analysis, and more. This eliminates the need for multiple systems and streamlines workflows. Improved efficiency and reduced costs. By having everything on a single platform, SimCorp Dimension can potentially lead to increased efficiency and cost savings. Data consolidation, automation of tasks, and straight-through processing, STP, are some ways it can achieve this. Risk management. SimCorp Dimension offers built-in compliance and risk management tools. It can help with regulatory reporting and identify potential risks within your portfolio. Scalability. SimCorp Dimension is designed to be scalable, meaning it can grow with your investment firm. This is important for firms that are anticipating future growth. Extensive instrument coverage. SimCorp Dimension can handle a wide variety of investment instruments, including complex securities. Strong industry presence. A large number of asset managers and other financial institutions around the world use SimCorp Dimension, giving confidence in its reliability. It's important to note that while SimCorp Dimension offers many advantages, there can also be downsides such as a steeper learning curve and potentially high initial investment costs. Customer segmentation on SimCorp Dimension. SimCorp Dimension, being an investment management system, offers a rich data set for customer segmentation that can be valuable for targeted marketing and product development. Here are some potential approaches to customer segmentation using SimCorp Dimension. 1. Segmentation by investment focus. Asset class. This classifies customers based on the type of assets they manage, equities, bonds, alternatives, etc. Investment strategy. Segment by customers' investment goals, growth, income, capital preservation. Industry specialization. Group customers by their industry focus, healthcare, technology, financials. 2. Segmentation by business profile. Assets under management, AUM segment by the total value of assets a customer manages, large institutions, mid-sized firms, boutiques. Number of users. Categorize customers based on the number of users within their organization using SimCorp Dimension. Deployment model. Cloud versus on-premise segment by how they utilize SimCorp Dimension, cloud-based or on-premise installation. 3. Segmentation by usage patterns. Functionality used. Segment by the specific features and functionalities customers leverage within SimCorp Dimension. Data volume. Categorize customers based on the amount of data they store and process within the system. Support needs. Segment by the level of support required by the customer, indicating their comfort level with the system. SimCorp Dimension itself can be a valuable tool to facilitate this segmentation process. By leveraging reports and data analysis tools within the platform, you can identify trends and group customers with similar characteristics. Here are some additional points to consider. Combine segmentation criteria. Don't limit yourself to a single approach. Combine these factors to create more granular segments, example, large institutions with a focus on alternative investments. Business goals. Tailor your segmentation strategy to your specific business goals. Are you aiming to upsell new features, improve customer satisfaction, or attract new clients? Data quality. Ensure the data within SimCorp Dimension is accurate and up-to-date to get reliable segmentation results. Advantages of SimCorp Dimension online training. Convenience. You can learn at your own pace and schedule without having to travel to a physical location for training. This is especially beneficial for busy professionals or those located in remote areas. Cost-effective. Online training is often cheaper than traditional classroom-based training. You won't have to pay for travel, meals, or accommodation. Accessibility. Online training materials are often available 24/7, so you can access them whenever you need to review a topic or practice your skills. Self-paced learning. You can learn at your own pace and repeat modules as needed to solidify your understanding. Focus and concentration. You can avoid distractions that may be present in a traditional classroom setting and focus more intently on the material. Variety of learning styles. Online courses often incorporate a variety of learning materials such as videos, lectures, quizzes, and simulations, which can cater to different learning styles. Why choose SimCorp Dimension online training? There are several reasons why you might choose SimCorp Dimension online training over other options. Convenience and flexibility. Online training allows you to learn at your own pace and on your own schedule. You can fit the training in around your work commitments and other obligations. Cost-effective. Online training can be cheaper than classroom training, as you don't have to travel or pay for accommodation. Accessibility. Online training can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection, so it's a good option for people who live in remote locations or who have difficulty traveling. Up-to-date content. Online courses can be easily updated to reflect the latest changes in SimCorp Dimension, so you can be sure you're learning the most current information. Standardized learning. Online courses can ensure a consistent learning experience for all participants, regardless of location or instructor. Here are some additional things to consider. Interaction. Online courses may not offer the same level of interaction with instructors and other learners as classroom courses. However, some online courses do include interactive elements such as discussion forums and live Q&A sessions. Self-discipline. Online training requires a high degree of self-discipline. You'll need to be able to manage your time effectively and stay motivated to complete the course. Career opportunities in SimCorp Dimension. SimCorp Dimension is a software platform widely used in investment management, so there are career opportunities across various departments. Here's a breakdown of some potential areas. Business consultancy. This is a common entry point for many. SimCorp itself actively recruits for business implementation consultants with expertise in specific areas of SimCorp Dimension, like front office, trading, portfolio management, compliance regulations, data management, accounting, ABOR and IBOR. These roles involve working closely with clients to implement and configure SimCorp Dimension to meet their needs. SimCorp offers a 3-week training program to get you started. SimCorp Consultant Community. Technical roles. If you have a technical background, there are opportunities in development, such as software developer, to work on the core product or integrations. Technical consultant, specializing in technical aspects of SimCorp Dimension deployments. Other departments. SimCorp is a large company with various departments that support SimCorp Dimension, such as sales, marketing, and project management. You can find more information about these opportunities on their careers page, SimCorp Careers. Salary expectation in SimCorp Dimension. Job boards. Search for job postings on platforms like Naukri.com or Indeed that mention SimCorp Dimension in Bengaluru. These postings might advertise a salary range or at least give an idea of the experience level they expect, which can be a proxy for salary. SimCorp experience. Some job postings might mention a preference for SimCorp experience. If you have relevant experience with SimCorp products, it could strengthen your candidacy and potentially increase your salary negotiation range. Why choose ProExcellency for SimCorp Dimension online training? Choosing ProExcellency for SimCorp Dimension online training can offer several benefits. Here are some compelling reasons. Experienced instructors. ProExcellency typically employs instructors with extensive industry experience and in-depth knowledge of SimCorp Dimension. This ensures that the training is practical, up-to-date, and relevant to real-world applications. Comprehensive curriculum. The training programs are designed to cover all essential aspects of SimCorp Dimension, including configuration, operation, and advanced functionalities. This ensures a thorough understanding of the software. Flexible learning options. Online training provides flexibility, allowing participants to learn at their own pace and schedule. This is particularly beneficial for working professionals who need to balance training with their job responsibilities. Interactive training sessions. ProExcellency offers interactive sessions with opportunities for live Q&A, hands-on exercises, and practical case studies. This interactive approach enhances learning and retention. Customized training programs. They can tailor training programs to meet specific organizational needs or individual learning goals. This customization ensures that the training is highly relevant and beneficial. Support and resources. Participants often have access to a range of support resources, including course materials, recorded sessions, and additional reading materials. Continuous support from instructors ensures that learners can clarify doubts and reinforce their learning. Industry recognition. Training from a reputable provider like ProExcellency can enhance your professional credibility and may be recognized by employers in the financial services industry. Positive testimonials and reviews. ProExcellency may have positive feedback from past participants, which can provide confidence in the quality and effectiveness of their training programs. Thank you.